Hi guys, my name is Owen and I thought we would do a sound test between two venerable Bang & Olufsen speakers, the Beolab 3500 Mark 1, which is here. This one is in white on the table stand and has been refurbished with new woofers and tweeters. And we're going to be comparing that to the Beolab 2000 up here. Both these devices are going to be using the auxiliary cable. The 3500 is connected via Sounds Heavenly cable to the Sphere headphone amp and playing directly from my Mac computer using Apple Music. The Beolab 2000 is connected to a Bluetooth block, which is this fantastically good value Aoki Bluetooth device, and it's going to be streaming the same song but from this tablet. The song that we're using for sound comparison is David Guetta's Listen, featuring John Legend. And we're going to try and have the volume at about the same level on both devices. Okay, let's have a listen. So first up is the 3500 Mark 1. Let's check the sound level. Yeah, it's just over half there.
Let's hit the road and away we go. Take a new direction to a different coast. Maybe we should try and put it on the line. You gotta trust me now. Turn up the radio, tune out the world and roll with the melody. Baby, listen close and open up your mind. Imagine it anywhere, more than miles. I'll take you there. New day from the start. We'd be as one. Now here we are. All we gotta do is start. All we gotta do is start. All we gotta do is start. All we gotta do is start.
So we're going to bring the volume down now and then press pause. Okay, so that was the Beolab 3500 Mark 1. Now let's compare it to the Beolab 2000. So let's get the streaming going. Okay, sounds like the volume is pretty low on the device itself, so let's bring it up using the BF4 remote.
Let's hit the road and away we go. Take a new direction to a different coast. Maybe we should try and put it on the line. You gotta trust me now. Turn up the radio, tune out the world and roll with the melody. Baby, listen close and open up your mind. Imagine it anywhere, more than miles. I'll take you there. New day from the start. We'd be as one. Now here we are. All we gotta do is start. All we gotta do is start. All we gotta do is start. All we gotta do is start.
Okay, let's bring the volume down there and pausing it. Okay, so to my ears, the Beolab 3500 is maybe a little bit warmer, a bit deeper, and of course the stereo stage is much wider because of the physical size of the speaker. The 2000 maybe is a bit louder, a bit rawer. The music maybe feels a little bit more like a live performance, but difficult to compare. But what do you think? I'd be really interested in your thoughts. Many thanks for watching.